Hey everyone! Here's a quick look at what's new in SimpleLocalize for Q2. New plugin, smarter editing and a faster and cleaner UI. Let's dive in. With the SimpleLocalize plugin for IntelliJ, you can now manage all your translations in one place in your code editor. You can list your translation keys and update them. You can create new translation keys and use autocomplete option for a faster workflow. You can edit your translations, you can auto-translate, and you can publish your translations to the hosting environment. So it was built to make your life and workflow easier, so you can manage all translations from your code editor directly. The new update to the Fima plugin links more closely your translation keys from SimpleLocalize and elements in your Fima design. You can now easily link elements to SimpleLocalize. You can connect a key which will create it in SimpleLocalize and they will be linked between those two places. So now if you edit a translation key in SimpleLocalize or in Fima like that, we can update this from here and it will be updated in SimpleLocalize as well. So this way you don't have to worry about the synchronization, as all the translation keys will be synchronized and updated in both places. What you see is what you get is now available in the SimpleLocalize Markdown editor. So instead of translating your blog post, documentation or other longer form in plain Markdown, you can use the visual editor with Markdown support to edit your text like that and instantly see how the Markdown file will look like. The Command Assistant is now easily accessible from the top bar of your project. You can just click to access all the features, and now you can also search for translations not only in the current project but also in all your projects. So we can search for room service, which is a translation in another project. We can search for this translation, check this, and go to the translation directly from here. Longer texts are now much easier to work with in the translation editor thanks to the auto expansion of the text field. So when you add a longer text, SimpleLocalize will auto expand the field so you can see the entire text, and it works both in the list view and in the table view. We've made some improvements to a table view so that you can adjust the editor to your needs and focus on translations. So besides the auto expansion option, which is applied to the table view as well, as you can see here, you can now hide translation keys and focus only on the translations. It's now much easier and faster to add multiple languages to your projects and to copy language configuration from other projects. In Add Language, you can search for languages or scroll down to see the list, or you can copy language configuration from your other projects, like that. So it's much faster and easier to copy languages from one project to another. You can now easily copy your translation keys. Just right-click on a translation key, go to Duplicate Key, adjust the translation key name, choose a namespace, and click on Duplicate button. It will copy the translation key with the translations. Thanks to our official MCP server, you can use natural language to work with SimpleLocalize and integrate it using AI assistants like GitHub Copilot, Cloud Desktop or Cursor. Okay, that's all for today. Check the links in the description below for documentation and more information. I can't wait to tell you more about the upcoming updates, and they are already there in SimpleLocalize, so follow our changelog. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much. Bye bye.